Planning a move to Costa Rica in 2025? One of the most important steps is shipping your personal items. Today, we'll walk through everything you need to know: shipping methods, costs, timelines, and how to make the process smooth. Let's get started. There are two main ways to ship your personal items to Costa Rica: by sea and by air. Let's break down the options to help you choose. Sea freight. Best for large shipments like furniture, vehicles, or multiple household items. Two main options. Full container load, FCL for short. Rent an entire container for your belongings. Standard sizes are 20 foot or 40 foot. Less than container load, LCL for short. Share a container with others, ideal for smaller shipments. Air freight. Best for smaller, time-sensitive shipments like electronics, documents, or clothing. Air freight is priced higher per pound but offers faster delivery. Use sea freight for bulky items and air freight for essentials you'll need right away. Shipping costs depend on factors like the shipping method, the volume of items, and additional fees. Here's a cost breakdown to help you plan. Sea freight costs. For a full container load, a 20-foot container costs approximately $3,000 to $5,000. A 40-foot container ranges from $5,000 to $8,000. For a less than container load. Priced by cubic meter, typically $50 to $100 per cubic meter plus handling fees. Air freight costs are calculated by weight or volume, whichever is higher. The average rate is between $5 to $10 per pound. Additional costs. Customs duties. Based on item value and type. Items like electronics may incur higher fees. Insurance. Costs around 1 to 3% of your shipment's declared value. Highly recommended for valuable items. Compare quotes from multiple shipping companies and include customs fees in your moving budget. How long will it take to ship your belongings? That depends on the shipping method and your U.S. departure point. Here are the details. Sea freight timeframes. East Coast ports, like Miami. Approximately 2 to 3 weeks to Port Limon. West Coast ports, such as Los Angeles. 4 to 6 weeks due to the Panama Canal transit. Air freight timeframes. Air freight arrives in Costa Rica within 3 to 7 days, making it the fastest option. Schedule your shipments early, especially if you plan to rent temporary housing while waiting for your items. Shipping your belongings to Costa Rica involves a few essential steps. Let's walk through them. Step 1. Choose a shipping company. Look for companies experienced with Costa Rican relocations like Americargo or International Van Lines. Request quotes that include detailed breakdowns of costs and services. Step 2. Inventory and pack your items. Create a detailed inventory for customs, including item descriptions and values. Use durable packing materials and clearly label boxes with your name and destination. Step 3. Prepare customs documentation. You'll need a copy of your passport, a shipping inventory, purchase receipts for any new electronics or high-value items. Hiring a customs broker is highly recommended for a smooth clearance process. A customs broker is a licensed professional who helps ensure your goods meet all customs regulations when shipping internationally. They handle important tasks like preparing documentation, calculating duties and taxes, and navigating complex import/export laws. By working with a customs broker, you can avoid delays, fines, and compliance issues, making the shipping process smoother and stress-free. They're especially helpful for large shipments, personal relocations, or items requiring special permits. You can find a customs broker through recommendations from your shipping company, online directories, or government-approved broker lists, such as those provided by U.S. Customs and Border Protection or similar agencies in your country. Step 4. Track your shipment. Most shipping companies provide tracking tools so you can monitor your shipment's progress. Pack a starter box with essentials like clothing, toiletries, and important documents to keep with you while waiting for your shipment. Shipping internationally can be challenging, but with a little preparation, you can avoid common issues. Here's how. Challenges. Customs delays. Missing or incomplete documentation can slow down clearance. Damaged items. Poor packing can result in broken or lost belongings during transit. Here's some tips for success. Start early. Begin planning your shipment at least 3 months in advance. Invest in insurance. Protect valuable items with adequate coverage. Stay flexible. Build some buffer time into your moving schedule to handle unexpected delays. Communication with your shipping company and customs broker is key to avoiding surprises during your move. Shipping your personal items to Costa Rica is a manageable process when you understand the costs, timelines, and steps involved. Whether you're bringing a full container of furniture or just a few essentials, proper planning will help ensure your move goes smoothly. Explore our other videos in this series for valuable guidance on moving out of the United States in 2025. From detailed insights on the cost of living in various countries and learning essential conversational phrases in a new language, to discovering top relocation destinations, navigating the visa process, and much more. We've got you covered. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss when new videos drop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.